Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 40XE 5G for Straight Talk. So the TCL 40XE 5G is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk. This is a budget 5G smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on the cheap, the TCL 40XE is worth checking out here. So it is now available for $149.99 for retail price. It's available in black, and y'all got some paid monthly for it as well. $625 a month for 24 months for the phone. But I suggest you guys pay for retail price for it. So it's $150 for the phone for retail price, and it's definitely worth checking out here. So the TCL 40XE has been out for a while now on Verizon prepaid, and now Straight Talk finally has this phone here. So anyways, this is the front of the TCL 40XE. You guys got your teardrop notch with front-facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and button keys on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the TCL 40XE is looks like triple cameras, camera flash, TCL logo, and it has like this pattern on the back, so very nice. I think it's 2 or 3 cameras on the back here, so that's pretty nice. Alright. It says here, brilliant visuals and 5G performance. Meet the TCL 40XE 5G, where fluid visuals meet 5G performance. With its bright 6.56 inch HD plus display and an impressive fast refresh rate, you can view, stream, and game and share with ease. The 5G octa-core processor allows for optimal 5G connectivity, meaning you don't have to worry about connecting on the connectivity on the go. Alright. The AI-powered triple-over camera system and 8-megapixel front-facing camera allows you to capture everyday moments in stunning clarity. So it is triple cameras on the back. So that is very cool. So there is front, left side, and back. Very nice looking phone. Specs. There you go. Also, it has 13.5 days of standby time, 5G of course, has 5G Wi-Fi. Dimensions on the TCL 40XE is 6.47 inches height, 2.97 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The display is 6.56 inches HD plus, 720 by 1612 pixel resolution, and I think it has a 90 Hz refresh rate, so not bad for a budget phone like this. Alright, so it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. Alright, I'm pretty sure it does. Camera, primary camera, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, depth plus 2 megapixel, macro camera lens in back, 8 megapixel front facing camera. 32 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and neck compatibility is 32 hours of talk time, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM, micro SD card expansion up to 1 TB, so take advantage of that. The TCL 40XE weighs 6.77 ounces. So what comes in the box is your TCL 40XE 5G prepaid smartphone, your Type-C charging cable, charger, which is very surprising to see nowadays, because a lot of phones now are not coming with the charger, and you get a quick start guide as well. Features: refreshing, brilliant visuals. The TCL 40XE 5G, powered by Next Vision technology, has a brilliant 6.56 inch HD plus display. Color, contrast, and clarity are optimized in real time for a portable, data-level visual experience. When combined with a refresh rate of 90 Hz for an immersive viewing experience and a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz for smooth scrolling. fluid animations, and improved screen responsiveness, your favorite shows and video games will be elevated, alright? Strong 5G performance. The TCL 40XE 5G powered with a MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core 5G processor provides powerful high-speed 5G performance to download apps and stream seamlessly. Experience enhanced performance and multitasking to the 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. The expandable 64 GB of internal storage lets you keep files, save memories and movies, plus download all your favorite apps, right? Detailed memories. The 13-megapixel main camera captures beautiful photos whether you are using it for work or for play. Use the 2-megapixel depth camera to enable striking portraits and showcase details of the world with the 2-megapixel macro camera. The 8-megapixel front camera takes perfect selfies with friends and allows you to join in video calls so that you can stay connected no matter where you are. Power that lasts. The powerful 5,000 mAh battery in the TCL 40XE 5G is designed to last all day. Battery life can be monitored with the TCL Smart Manager and extended with the assistance of Battery Saver Mode. The ultra slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry throughout your day, secure and accessible. Face unlock in the side-mounted fingerprint sensor will keep personal data and files safe from unauthorized access. Increase your productivity with the TCL 40XE by multitasking between watching the video and answering that important call, right? So you do have face unlock and fingerprint, which is the power button. So yeah. Do you guys have it? The TCL 40XE 5G is now at Show Talk. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the TCL 40XE is worth checking out. Defenders look very nice. It has pretty good specs for what it is. Definitely worth the $150 price tag, and that's definitely worth paying full retail price for it. I don't recommend paying monthly for it. I don't recommend paying monthly for it because it makes no sense to pay monthly for it. It's very affordable, so $150 is not bad for what you're getting here. Nice looking phone, great specs and features for what it is. So very nice looking phone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.